Hola amigos, and welcome to another episode of Literacy with Miss Lee and Moby. In today's spelling lesson, we are going to learn how to spell that final us sound. Before we get started, I need to ask you two questions. Number one, what is a noun? Good. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So I want you to stop what you're doing and pick up the first noun you see. Come here. This is the first noun I see. This is Leela. Say hi. What was your first noun? Right underneath. So now that we know what a noun is, can you tell me what an adjective is? An adjective are describing words. Words that tell you what something looks like, feels like, that describe. So you need to know those two things, a noun and an adjective. Now, I'm thinking of a word, and I want you to guess what it is. It is something green, and it has like little spikes coming out of it, and it usually grows in the desert. What am I thinking about? A cactus. Good job. Let's finger spell the word cactus. K-A-T-U-S. Cactus. Are you ready? Cat. Oh. I hear that us at the end. How am I going to spell us? There are two ways I can spell us. With a U-S, or I can spell us with a O-U-S. How are you going to know? Well, it is a good thing you know what a noun and an adjective are, because if the word is a noun and you hear that us sound at the end, it is spelled with a U-S. But if you hear the word and it ends with a us and it's an adjective, that us is spelled O-U-S. So let's think of the word cactus. What is cactus? Is cactus a noun or is cactus an adjective? Good. Cactus is a noun, and because it's a noun, it's going to be spelled with a U-S. Cactus. Let's think of another word. Ooh, joyful. I'm very joyful today. What do you guys think? Is joyful a noun or is joyful an adjective? Good. It's an adjective. It's describing how I am feeling. So because it's an adjective and I hear that us at the end, I immediately know that us is going to be spelled with a O-U-S. So let's go ahead and spell joyous. J-O-Y. Remember that O-Y spelling rule? J-O-Y-S. Joyous. Joyous. Now let's think of another word. Oh, bonus. Let's finger spell the word bonus. B-O-N-U-S. Bonus. Ready? Let's connect those phonemes to these graphemes. B-O-N. Is bonus a noun or is bonus an adjective? What do you think? Bonus is a noun. It's something extra that they're giving you, so it'd be a thing. So because it's a noun, it would be with a U-S. And last but not least, the biggest word out there. I'm just kidding. Enormous. Ready? Enormous. Just by listening to the word. How do you think I'm going to be spelling that us sound at the end? Enormous. Is that a noun or is it an adjective? Good. It's an adjective because I'm describing something that is big. It is enormous. Ready? Let's spell it. N or enormous. And that, boys and girls, is our spelling rule for today. The final us sound. So remember, if you hear the word, because we're trying to spell it so you can't really read it, if you hear the word, I want you to think, ooh, is it a noun or is it an adjective? Because I know that if it's a noun, that OU is going to be spelled with, that us is going to be spelled with a OU. And if it's an adjective, that us sound is going to be spelled with a OUS. So, ta-da! Your spelling words or your spelling rules of the week. I will see you next week. Hasta luego!